Sign into your Blackboard site. Scroll down the main menu to Course Management and expand Control Panel. Expand Course Tools. Scroll down further to click Tests, Surveys, and Pools. Click Tests. Click Build Test. Enter a name for this test, as name is a required field. For demonstration, we'll call this test Exam 1. Adding a description is optional but may be of value to students. Further, should you choose to copy this exam to a repeated course at a later date, this detail clearly identifies the intended content. Place specific instructions in the instructions box if desired. Then submit. Move the mouse cursor to the Create Question box, find and select Multiple Choice. A question title is not required. In the question text box, type the exam's first question. In the Options area, select how you wish answers to be presented, or leave parameters in the default condition. Scroll down to the Answers area, then select the number of answer choices. Fill in the fields with possible answers and select the correct answer. The nature of radio buttons is that any answer can be selected as correct. Initially, answer 1 is identified as correct. But by setting any other question as the correct answer, question 1's radio button is automatically cleared. The correct answer for this question is number 4. Blackboard provides the instructor a means to give feedback to students for both correct and incorrect responses. Further, for instructor convenience, individual questions may be identified by category and keyword. Input here has no effect on what the student will see during the exam. To add another question, click the Submit and create another box. The instructor may wish to continue building the exam in this manner, adding as many questions as desired. When done, click Submit. Notice that the return page is Test Canvas Exam 1. The instructor may review and edit questions, select, delete, or assign points value as necessary. Individual questions and answers may be edited or deleted immediately here. For building shorter tests, entering questions one by one in this manner may be suitable to instructor needs, such as for weekly quizzes. For longer tests, questions can be created more efficiently outside of Blackboard in specially formatted, simple text files and uploaded all at once. Click Upload Questions and More Help for specific instructions. With a bit of patience and practice, this method of creating test questions can be beneficial. To demonstrate, here's a properly formatted, uploadable test in a text file. What may be visually overwhelming at first, the file can be broken down to its core elements: question type, tab spaces, question text, answer text, declaration of correct and incorrect answers, and new lines. To make the exam formatting more user-friendly, the file may be first created in a new Word document and then saved as a text file such as this one. Working in Word is helpful as the non-printing characters can be made visible. The blue arrows denote tab spaces. Spaces between letters show as black dots, and the blue paragraph symbols indicate the end of a line. To begin, type the question type in capital letters, MC for multiple choice. Second, press the tab key. Type the question, then end with tab, no spaces. Type the correct or incorrect answer, and tab to declare the answer correct or incorrect. Repeat as necessary to complete the multiple choice list, in this case 4. End the questions and answer line with a return or enter, no spaces. Begin each successive question on a new line, no spaces between lines. When all the questions have been entered, save the document twice, first as a Word document, second as a text file. The Word document serves as an editable working copy to debug errors. The text file serves as the upload into Blackboard. Click Browse to locate a file to upload. Select the exam in text format and submit. Note the upload notice. Had there been an error, a report similar to this would have been generated. Note that the message states Blackboard encountered problems but uploaded all the properly formatted questions. Click OK. A quick way to diagnose a bad text file is to determine which question was not uploaded. You may include the missing question by means of the Create Question dialog as demonstrated previously, or select all and delete the uploaded questions. Return to the Word document working copy. Make and save corrections to both the working and uploadable text file and upload the exam again. When satisfied with the exam upload, select all, enter a points value, then click Update. Although the Blackboard course now has a usable test, the test cannot be used until it is deployed. To deploy a test, return to the control panel, then select the Test Surveys and Pools link. Click on Tests. Note that Exam 1 appears in the list, but its deployed status is No. To deploy tests, that is to make available in Blackboard, a test must be included in the content area. For this example, we will add a new content area in the control panel titled Exam 1. Make available to users and submit. Control panel link Exam 1 will show empty at this time. In the control panel, click this Exam 1 link and go to the Exam 1 page. Open the Assessments drop-down menu, select and click Test. In the Create Test page, Blackboard has recognized Exam 1 as an existing test. Select and submit Exam 1. Upon test creation success, test options may be specified. Note that Exam 1 has been added to the name box. Scroll down to select desired test parameters. Blackboard default test settings do not set Show Test Descriptions and Instructions to students. Set these conditions. Open Test in New Window may be left as No, but do make the link available. Notice the test availability parameters: attempts possible, forced completion, test timer, and adaptive release settings to automatically open and close the test in the future. Make additional choices regarding test feedback and presentation. When satisfied, click Submit. Notice that the Exam 1 page now has content, Exam 1, and the Exam 1 main menu link no longer displays the empty gray box. And in the test page, Exam 1 shows as deployed. To test the link and witness Students View, click the Exam 1 link and begin the exam yourself. To exit, click Save and Submit at the bottom or browser back arrows. Finally, by deploying a test, Blackboard automatically creates a test column in Grade Center.